Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7Beats and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a really awesome dancehall beat just with stock plugins. So make sure to download this free project and everyone should be able to open it and play around with it. So make sure to check out the link in the description. And if you're interested in some really dope sounds which I'm using in this project, make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack. The link will also be in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I'm going to set the tempo to 100 BPM. And because we're just using stock plugins, we're going to use Flex. So this stock plugin from FL Studio. And I found this really awesome preset. And we're just going to start with some really simple chords. And after that create a melody with these chords. So just start off with this G flat. Just really simple, and we're gonna turn this one down 1 octave. And we're going to use this G flat right here, this A right here, and just copy these notes. And we're going to use this D flat because that's equal to this G flat. Maybe turn this one up. This one. This could be the progression. So these are just some really simple chords. So I'm going to create an audio clip and just paste the chords right here. So we could also refer to these chords. And right now I'm just going to make some adjustments to this melody. And when you set the grid to line, we're going to do a really simple trick. Just drag the notes like this. So one grid to the right. And do the same with all the other chords. And just duplicate this one. And because when we're using a G and an A right here, so a G flat and A flat, we could choose between these notes just to create some really simple bounds. Maybe just add some extra notes right here. That's just really basic but really awesome. So right now I've just shortened the notes a little bit. I made some adjustment to the notes right here. So I think this will sound really awesome when adding the drums. And it's still really simple. And we're going to add another flex. And I found this really awesome marimba preset which also really fits the Afrobeat style. And we're going to copy our chords and copy it into right here. And maybe add one right here. And we're going to follow the chord progression but keep it really simple. And at the top note, so this D flat, E flat and F sharp, just one octave down. E flat and F sharp. And combine it with the guitar. And it goes really well together because we're just using the same chords to create different melodies. And I think we should add another melody on top of this one. So I'm going to use just another flex. And I found this bell preset. And I'm just going to play around with it. Copy it. So I think I've created all the elements I need to create a dancehall beat. And just still keep it really simple. So I'm going to use this clap. And just create the most common dancehall clap pattern. So that's basically it. And I'm going to layer it with a snare. So I'm going to layer the second clap and the fourth clap. Just really simple. And I'm going to add this hi-hat. Just a really basic pattern, and I've played around the velocity. So I'm going to duplicate this one. And I'm going to add this kick. And I'm going to add an 808 and make sure the root note is set to C. So you could check this by opening up this one, edit an audio editor and detect pitch regions. And you can see this one is in C, so that's alright. And we're going to create an envelope. So just create this square. And we could start creating an 808 pattern. And I will start off with this G. And maybe just turn this one up to E again and down to B flat. And duplicate this one. Maybe just add and an extra note right here. And maybe at this part. Sounds really awesome. And right now I'm going to link all these elements to the mixer. So select them like this, open up your mixer, channel routing, and route selected channels. So right now everything is linked to the mixer. So I'm going to cut the low frequencies from the guitar. The low frequencies from the snare. And use this EQ to cut the harsh frequencies from the bell. Maybe add some more reverb. Add some reverb to the guitar. And cut at the low frequencies from the reverb. I cut out some of the mid frequencies from the 808 because I think the 808 contains way too much mid frequencies. So by the mid frequencies, I mean those frequencies, and just create more like a solid bass. So as you can hear, the bass is pushed way more to the background. And right now I'm going to create a simple arrangement. So I'm going to separate all the elements. So I'm just going to start off with the guitar. And just copy this one. Or maybe switch it up. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download this free FLP, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.